To find documentation for the Uniswap SDK, start by visiting the official Uniswap website, which is the most reliable source of information. From the homepage, navigate to the Developers section, where you will find links to the Uniswap protocol documentation and the Uniswap SDK documentation. The Uniswap protocol documentation provides an overview of the protocol, its architecture, and the smart contracts that power it. This documentation is essential for understanding how the Uniswap protocol works and how to integrate it into your application. The Uniswap SDK documentation, on the other hand, provides detailed information on how to use the SDK to interact with the Uniswap protocol. It includes guides on how to install and configure the SDK, how to use the various APIs and interfaces, and how to troubleshoot common issues. In addition to the official documentation, you can also find useful information on the Uniswap GitHub page, where the SDK is hosted. The GitHub page includes the source code for the SDK, as well as issue trackers and discussion forums where you can ask questions and get help from the developer community. When working with the Uniswap SDK, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure that your application is secure, scalable, and reliable. This includes following the guidelines and recommendations outlined in the documentation, testing your application thoroughly, and keeping your dependencies up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and easily find the documentation you need to get started with the Uniswap SDK and build powerful and effective applications on top of the Uniswap protocol. Remember to always refer to the official documentation and GitHub page for the most up-to-date and accurate information.